So guys, let me tell you something. We are a different generation. Let no one tell you nothing. Let no one tell you nothing. Watatuita wajinga, watatuita wazimu, watatuambia oh Gen Z. But we are a different generation. Because tell me why these politicians were trying to push a tribal narrative. They tried. Hey, they tried. And for a micro minute, I thought they will win. I really thought. Like, look at me, point mpaka guys, you just open your eyes. Look at me, point. But let me tell you, Maina, they are going nowhere. Because tell me why. Hey, Uko X hashtag in a trend ni hashtag we are all Kikuyus and hashtag we are all Kenyans. Tell me why. They really tried to profile Kikuyus. They tried. Ilikuwa imefika point mpaka una post tu video. Unasema ujueni Mkikuyu. Wakikuyu. Wakikuyu. We are together in this. Mkikuyu akinunua skari 70, unanunua skari 70. We are all Kenyans. Bro, they don't care. They don't care. Do you think because you are a Kalenjin, they don't care? They don't give a hey, they don't give a slight, a single. They don't. Because wewe ni Mjaluo ni sawa. Baba ameingia kwa broad based. Amekufanyia nini? Amekunufaisha na nini? Bruv, they don't care. It's them against us. And it will be like that for a while until we have hashtag we are all Kenyans. Period. Have time.
Hi, I am Siombua Ekibue and I'm a Kikuyu. Ohoro, nie jetagwo Siombua, wana wake fue, na nie ni Mugikuyu.
Ayaya, nanyuma ni ya Mugada, shepu ni ya Taga, gozi ni ya Kirudi, Kirwada, nyere ni ya Somalia, masho ni ya Ethiopia, utamu Tanzania, akili ndio ya Kenya, ateke niende Mugikuyu, anayepiga asimame, anayepiga asimame, we are all Kikuyus. Niende mwaji wa wildlife. Nogo eno. Katamtam. Nyeri. Katamtam.
Igava haiwezi fanya tuchukie wa Kikuyu. Haiwezi. I am a Kalenjin Luya. And we are all Kikuyus. Adui ni Ruto. Adui si wa Kikuyu. God bless Kenya.
Good people, it is now clear that the government cannot deal with this generation. Let me start by introducing my name. My name is Ademba Kamau Alans Ochieng. So, they tried to put the narrative of tribalism to us, to mekataa yu imetoka. So I, Ademba Alans Ochieng Kamau, say that we are tribeless at the end of the day. Wale wanatutusi X or anything, we are tribeless at the end of the day. Mimi ni Ademba Alans Ochieng Kamau.
Hello Kenyans, I am Abdille Kimani Njoroge from Wajir County. I hereby declare my full support and utmost respect to the current trending hashtag of saying we are all Kikuyus. Thanks to Kenyans for showcasing that these kind of lootings, protests, killings that is ongoing in the country does not associate with only one community called Kikuyu. I can hereby declare my full support and say that I belong to a community called Kikuyu. We are tribeless and we are all Kikuyus. Thanks. Big love. Cheers.
This generation is simply healing us in all the right ways and reminding us the importance of staying focused and not allowing to be divided along tribal lines. Because tell me why when GOK woke up in the morning and they're trying to push this narrative that everybody that is opposing this government is a Kikuyu, a Kikuyu is doing nini, tribal, their normal rhetoric. But people have woken up today on X and they've started this hashtag of we are all Kikuyus. They're naming themselves and giving themselves Kikuyu names. And of course, pia wana to this with our Kikuyu traditions and things kama zile maneno za dhufu. And I am just like, Thank you, Lord, for a generation that is focused on liberating this country and cleansing us from our tribal cocoons and narratives and uniting us with one common goal that we deserve and we must liberate this country.
We are all Kikuyus. Kwanzia leo munite istirado president wa mafagi. Ruto must go.
Huyu Kasongo akinidharau anasema mimi ni mkabila, hata sitokagi wa Monyoro. Sasa niko hapa ni Kiambu, hapa ni Murang'a, hapa ni Embu, hapa ni Meru, hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Wewe Kasongo, angalia TV uone wafuasi wa Rigiji Bungoma. Wapi wafuasi wa Rigiji? Arambe ya mwisho, mimi naomba Waluya musimame na hii kijana yenu anatishwa. George Natembea, huyu kiongozi anaumizwa na Kasongo kwa sababu ya chimiwe. Amesema Waluya wasidharauliwe. Mimi nataka kusema amekelewa makesi uongo. Mtasimama na mtoto wenu, mtasimama na mtoto wenu. Mimi ya mwisho naomba huyu Natembea, Cleophas Malala, Eugene Wamalwa wakuje kwa meza, tupange Kenya pamoja kwa niaba yenu. Mumekubali? Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. Thank you.
Anterere! Anteke! I hear we are all Kikuyus now. Very nice, very good, very nice. Atufai kwa tatana tribalism mvunje nchi. Never again. No. We are all Kikuyus now. Riebebe!
Moses Kuria is Ruto's agent, and his work is one. Try as much as you can to split the votes of Mount Kenya. And he says he has resigned from his role. Amesema ameambia rais amejiuzulu katika kazi yake. First of all, we need to ask ourselves, what was his work? Advising the president on economic matters. What did he do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. His job description was simply going to State House to take photos on Tuesday evenings, and nothing can be further from the truth when he says that he's resigned from advising the president. There is no job like advising the president on economic matters. He did not do that. In fact, it was just a way of just keeping him to look like he's in the government. And his role has been decided to counter Rigathi Gachagua in the mountain. And the reason I say this, last week, he had a paid interview that he had with Citizen TV. And the main aim of that interview was to present him as an option for the people of the mountain. If you listen to him keenly, he was just, on every question that he was asked to give a straight up answer, he was beating around the bush, saying all this, all that, saying that the mountain is distancing itself from the government. Again, if he thinks that the mountain is distancing itself from the government, why did he resign himself? Why not stay in the government like he's telling everyone else to do that? So, and it is going to be, I know the people of the mountain are very clever and they can see deceit, even if it's wrapped in whatever it is wrapped in, and he's not going to succeed. Let him not come with this theatrics that he's resigned. Now he wants to come and counter the mountain. He wants to vie for presidency. That's bullshit. And the main aim and the end goal of all this is rigging the elections in 2027. Have Moses Kuria in the ballot and make it look like a good number of Kikuyus have voted for him. Rigging will happen in places like Kiambu, where he at least could command some influence, but it will be a lie. And let's watch.
You don't know what this We Are All Kikuyus is doing. Yani, this is the last nail to the coffin. They tried to sell an agenda, oh, Kikuyus are bad people, Kikuyus are the one destroying, but all Kenyans have said that they are all Kikuyus. And I've seen some people trying to be elite, saying that we are all Kenyans. Of course we are all Kenyans, but we will not allow one tribe to be profiled. Kenyans, manzi.
Kuna mjaluo amenitusi saa hii. Atunashinda na Wakikuyu na bado nimeparara tu kama mapera. Mimi nikanyenyekea tu, nikanyamaza. Nataka nivumilie chini ya Wakikuyu. Hao Wakikuyu ndio walifanya Ruto amekuwa president. Si hao ndio tena wanasema Ruto ni one term president. Hao Wakikuyu ndio walifanya mpaka baba ya Albert Ojwang, mchango yao ilifanya baba ya Albert Ojwang sasa anakaa kwa nyumba smart. Hao watu wa Kikuyu si ndio wamefanya mpaka Mulamwa saa hii na Ruth K wanajulikana. Mulamwa anaenda na Mercedes Benz kwa sababu ya support ya Wakikuyu. Wakikuyu ndio wamefanya mpaka baba Talisha saa hii amejulikana. Wacha nivumilie tu. Ngoja tu ninyenyekee chini yao. Ndio mtajua hii kwa kelele. Bali ilikuwa tu maombi. Na nyenyekea chini ya Wakikuyu. YouTube channel yangu ifike tu 1000 subscribers. Ndio hii kuparara mnasema nimeparara. Itaisha. Itaisha tu. Haina noma. Mimi wacheni tu nisimame na Wakikuyu. Haina noma.
All, karibuni sana. Muigwe mwe musie. Lakini nyinyi mtaonyesha hii serikali maneno. We, mumesema sisi wote ni Wakikuyu.
Najua kuna wengine wanashindwa hii hashtag ya we are all Kikuyus ilitoka wapi. So, the government and its bloggers walijaribu kutaint jina ya Wakikuyu wakisema ati ni Kikuyus wanafund maandamano, ati ni Kikuyu wanaiba vitu za watu. So, Kenyans decided to unite na wakajiita wote Wakikuyu. Very, very simple. Wakijaribu kuingililia Wakisii, sisi wote tutakuwa Wakisii. Wakijaribu kuingililia Wamasai, sisi wote tutakuwa Wamasai. Simple and direct. We are all Kikuyus now.
We are all Kikuyus, and it feels great to be called Mwangi Kingoina, and I'm really humble for that. Actually, my grandma is from Kule Muranga, hapo karibu na Mushiri's resort. You know there? Anyway, friends, we have to end this ethnic profiling by these politicians. So to end it, please tell me your Kikuyu name.
I, for one, Mr. Haifu, I don't understand why when the Agikuyu people come together for a cause, it is very threatening to the other tribes. For instance, you'll find that on 30th of November, there is an event called Ngemi Homecoming, and it's an Agikuyu affair. It's the people of the Agikuyu community want to appreciate their culture, their music, and their vibes. Kuina Kirira, kuina Mataha, kuina Dadimi. You know, that kind of vibes are Kunashana, like we are Gikoyo and we are about Gikoyo culture. But in a quotation into the other people, the choice of music is only Gikoyo Nikozileza. Yo, that's the whole idea. Like we are appreciating the Gikoyo culture. So even if you come and you are Luo, you're going to be appreciating the Gikoyo culture. You understand? I don't know why pia mimi nikifanya content as Mr. Haiful, my content is curated to bamba wale ni Gikoyo. Ni Agikoyo community, my content inakoga mostly for the Agikoyo people. You'll find that people are going to come at me because why do you use a language that is not universal? We don't understand. Use a language that all of us understand because my content is for the Agikoyo people. So you are the one who is in the wrong place. So I'm here to tell you, viva Agikoyo people, Let's show the people, let's show them that we can come together for a good cause and for good vibes and to have a good time because we love each other. Let's also be very proud of our hair, of our meidega. I don't know what other communities they have a name for rastas. Kama sisi Waikuyu, these are our business, man, like the Gikoyo people. So let us be proud of who we are as a community. Let nobody akuje tuonyeshe like atufai appreciate who we are. Sisi ni the Gikoyo people. And otiaka go masuru ndikwa ura maya gai goko. Nimoreta abo mo Gikoyo. Viva people, viva my Gikoyo people.